Let me now take you to the ground as well. This election season, the focus has been the Ram Mandir and the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Ayodhya, where the Ram Mandir has been constructed, is set to go for the phase 5th of the elections. But it's still as much a fight with regard to, though BJP may hold an advantage, but the Samajwadi Party has its own election discourse for Ayodhya. But what do the people think? What is the sentiment on the ground? India Today's Samar Srivastav getting you this ground report from Ayodhya.
At the heart of Hindu faith and central to Hindutva politics, since 1991, the BJP has dominated the assembly elections in Ayodhya. But in the Faizabad Lok Sabha constituency, where the sacred town is located, the state's three major parties, the BJP, the Samajwadi Party and Congress, have all secured victories in different elections. With the completion and the consecration of the Ram temple though, the BJP holds advantage here.
With Saffron Party having Ram temple construction as one of its prime agenda, elections without Faizabad Lok Sabha seat seems incomplete. Ayodhya, the city of Ramlala, has been the epicenter for the Indian politics for the 40 long years, and after the consecration ceremony of Ramlala, BJP seems to have an edge in the temple town, while Samajwadi Party, relying on the Dalit factor, fielding Avadhesh Prasad from Ayodhya.
Current BJP MP and candidate Lallu Singh and SP candidate and 9-time MLA Avadhesh Prasad are campaigning for this Lok Sabha seat. The SP nominee, a well-known Dalit leader, addresses issues from economic development to religion.
ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट सुप्रीम न्यायालय के उच्चतम न्यायालय के आदेश से बना। कोई भी सरकार होती तो मंदिर बनता। मुद्दा है हमारा महंगाई, मुद्दा है बेरोजगारी, मुद्दा है लोगों को जो उजाड़ा गया है।
He asserts that his party would have built the temple if they were in power. The BJP candidate moves through villages, smiling broadly, seeking blessings from elders and urging locals to re-elect him. He insists that only the Prime Minister could have built the Ram temple in Ayodhya.
500 सालों से राम मंदिर के लिए संघर्ष जी, कई पीढ़ियां संघर्ष करते समाप्त हो गई। बिल्कुल जी, समझे आप जी। और उस मंदिर को बनवाने का काम मोदी जी ने किया। नेता मोदी तो उनके नाम तो चलेगा ही, समझे। हम लोग तो सिपाही हैं, सेवक।
At rallies, the BJP leader candidly says that those who fought for the Ram temple will naturally take credit for its construction.
The Faizabad Lok Sabha seat holds around 20 lakh voters, and if you talk about the caste scenario, 26% of Dalits, 13% of Brahman, Kurmi and Yadav voter remains in the Faizabad Lok Sabha seat.
Ayodhya has transformed into a bustling place. Devotees flocking to the temple in the scorching heat attest to Ayodhya's turnaround.
भाजपा तो आनी ही है। जय भाजपा तय भाजपा।
अच्छा
जी,
समर्थक हैं आप?
बिल्कुल समर्थक हैं और वोट भी करेंगे हम।
क्यों आएगी भाजपा?
भाई बहुत सारा चेंजिंग हुआ है। पहले कितना प्रॉब्लम होता था, अब रोड चौड़ीकरण हो गया है, मंदिर बन गया है। और हमारे लिए तो भाई हम तो हिंदू धर्म के हैं, सबसे बड़ी हमारे लिए मंदिर है।
Recent development includes improved infrastructure and connectivity. Many locals are optimistic about BJP's prospects.
अयोध्या में लल्लू सिंह आएंगे।
कंफर्म है?
हाँ जी।
क्यों?
काम ही ऐसा किए हैं।
कैसे?
जैसे मंदिर का उन्हीं के रहते हुए बना हुआ है। और भी योगी जी हैं, मेरे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं।
इन्हें मंदिर बनवाया।
जी।
Many credit the Prime Minister for Ayodhya's transformation. Now voters are set to elect their representative for the constituency on May 20th.
With Prime Minister Modi's roadshow and that Ram-Mai Mahal in Ayodhya, it's going to be a massive edge for the Saffron Party in the Temple Town. With cameraman Gaurav Samad Srivastava for India Today.